What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today we got the 2021 Scatpack wide body Hellcat rims on the beast, indigo blue. My boy Joe joined the speed mob, but look at this beaut, man. We got the Challenger behind, we got the BRZ over there. Ready? Make sure you can keep up. Them pop sounds hella nice though. You know I love them pops, but this car didn't pop as much as like the 2019 Scats. Okay, my boy Corey revving shit. All right, let's see what this baby can do. Yeah, roll, yeah. Yo, this shit actually hides the speed hella good, I ain't gonna lie. I didn't know how fast we were going back there. Bring this baby to the 2 turns in Florida, yeah? This thing is nice as hell, I ain't gonna lie. Let me give you guys another walk around on this thing, man. When you're ready, sir. Ready? Car is coming, bro. Off because of the car, but the Challenger ain't no match for the wide body. Maybe if it was a Challenger wide body. I'll give you one more. I'll give you one more. You lost though. I was spinning too. What are you talking about? I was spinning too, man. All right, let's go. Ready? 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 This shit is nice as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. This shit is so fucking nice, bro. I love it. I honestly love it. Yeah, man. 2021 Scatpack wide body. It got a lot of package. It got the luxury package. I think it got heated and cool seats too. I ain't gonna lie. It does. Vented seats, bro. Heated and cool seats. Wide body. He put on the Hellcat rims on it. He put on the SRT. Oh shit, that feel nice. What? He put on the SRT steering wheel, so basically this shit lights up. He did the stars in the roof. Woo, baby, yeah. He did an intake. I'm gonna show you guys the intake, but yeah, that's it, man. I like these things. I love these things. I ain't gonna lie to you. I love these things, bro. Drive modes. That's the screen to be. If you enjoyed the Scatpack wide body though, drop a thumbs up, drop a like, let me know what you guys think about it. Again, which one you prefer, the Charger or the Challenger? Even if it's a Challenger wide body, just let me know which one you guys like more. Every Dodge owner stop and look at this shit. Every single one. Again. Alright. Man, you gotta see all the way up. You 6'4", okay? I'm just 5 something. All the way back. Okay, big fella. My ass cool. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That cool seat shit. This is all like Charger. Why? Because it carries the door. No, not that.